Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to take off the easiest way this bottom door molding without broken the clips. Don't necessary to take off the door panel, but much easy to access. So we use this kind of filler card, or you can use some plastic trim tools or something. All the way here is the plastic earring what we can just press in. And we are going all the way. Okay, we open it and then we take off this rubber, and behind the rubber we got a 10mm nut. What is very easy to drop in the door, but don't worry, if you drop in the door and if you have a magnet you catching out, or if you haven't got the magnet, just try use some masking tape or tape, press it and pull it out the tape. That's it. Okay, everything, no more screw, and outside is no double taped, so just hold here and hitting all the way, and these clips is come off easy. Nothing broken, no damaged, and this is the best way to take off. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.